In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate your Stripe account to manage billings and payments. Whether you're just starting or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will help you streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. To begin, we'll need to head over to the Stripe website. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of options available at your convenience. Focus your attention on the left side of the screen where several navigation tabs are located. Let's start by clicking on Billings. This section is your primary hub for managing customer invoices and subscriptions. Once here, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. Invoices are crucial if you want to establish clear payment terms with your customers, allowing both parties to have a mutual understanding. Whether you're setting up recurring payments or creating a one-time bill, this tool can greatly assist you in maintaining good financial relationships with your clients. While you're in this billing section, take a moment to explore the Subscriptions tab, especially if you offer any subscription-based services. Clicking here will provide you with a comprehensive view of all your current subscriptions. This snapshot can be incredibly useful for tracking ongoing revenue and ensuring that your customers are receiving the services they've subscribed to without any hitches. Next, find and click on the Payments tab. This part of the platform is essential for creating payment links, enabling you to generate a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Within the payment section, you'll notice options like payment links, which can be shared directly with your customers. These links can be configured as simple buttons, concise light boxes on your website, or even as QR codes for more versatile situations. These diverse options enhance customer convenience, so take advantage of them to make purchasing your products or services as easy as possible. Now that pretty much covers the essentials of managing your Stripe billing and payment processes. With these tools at your disposal, you can efficiently handle invoices, maintain subscriptions, and create convenient payment links for your customers. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these features not only saves time, but also enhances the overall customer experience you provide. Feel free to explore more of what Stripe has to offer, as the platform continuously updates with new features that could benefit your business. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough of Stripe's billing and payment features. We hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy managing.